Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'll take you on a tour of T Nagar Market or the Thyagaraya Nagar Market as the locals know it. It's a very popular place in Chennai and it's one of the must-do places if you visit Chennai for shopping. I'm about to enter the market. You can see that's the entry point of the market and that's the way I should go. So let's visit T Nagar Market. So I'm at the entrance of the market and you can see the place is very crowded. Many people out there and today is the eve of Valentine's Day, so it's more crowded. So we'll move further and show you the place. T Nagar Market in Chennai is one of the most popular shopping destinations in the place and it's situated around Ranganathan Street at T Nagar or Thyagaraya Nagar. So I'm going there, I'm crossing the road and going to Ranganathan Street, that is the heart of the market. And it's an unregulated market, that's an unorganized market. I'll show you the place. You can see already it's very crowded out here and it's the eve of Valentine's Day, so the crowd is usually more. So I'm going to give you a view of the place from above. Let's see how it looks. You can see the place is very busy, it's bustling with crowds, and a fact about this place is this is an hairpin to aeroplane market. You can find anything out here. Just name it and you'll find it. You just need to know the right place to get the things, but you'll find it in the market, that's for sure. Hey guys, I am inside T Nagar main market right now and you can see the amount of crowd. I guess it's always like this inside. And the shopping craze for Chennai people is so high. I didn't know that earlier, and I found out a new thing that there is Saravana Stores in every street. I really didn't know all the streets have Saravana Stores. I'll show you one by one all the shops, and they're not just small shops, they're just very big shops. And you can see that's the famous Saravana Stores. It's very popular on the internet and for market goers. Well guys, right now I'm inside the T Nagar Market area. And you can see there is another Saravana Store shop. I don't know if that name is very popular or this is a different branch of the shop. Here's another one. Here's another one. You can see behind me. And here's another one. Saravana Stores. One more. Today is the eve of Valentine's Day, that's why maybe people are in the market buying things. But still, the shopping craze is too much. And you will get all kinds of different things out here, from clothing to various products. And I'll show you, like you will see very cheap prices as well. You can see clothing being displayed out here, quite affordable prices. I don't know about the quality, but the displayed price is quite low. So it's good for youngsters and travelers. One plate of that, please. Hey guys, I'm feeling a bit hungry, so I'm at the food stall out here. You can see behind me, and I got myself a bowl of fried cabbage. I don't know how it tastes, but it looked nice. So let's have it. It is good. It's quite nice. The flavor is good, and you can see there is curry patta out here, and the cabbage is deep fried in batter. It's quite nice. It's very good. This market is mostly visited by locals, and I didn't find many tourists out here. So this is a place if you are searching for authentic Tamilian life, authentic Chennai life. This is the place you should come to. And speaking of authentic, what can be more local than this one? Well guys, you can see I am having a banana pakoda. So let's see how it is. It is good. How much for this? Well friends, I have spent quite a few minutes in this place, and during my round in this market I saw that there are a lot of things available for women, especially in this market, like clothing, shoes, ornaments and everything of the household. Even there are still things for men, but still the goods for women available in this place are much more than that compared to that for men. And the prices of these goods are quite reasonable. For example, things start from around 20 bucks, 30 bucks, even 10 bucks. And clothing starts from around 50 to 100 bucks for children. And you can see the clothings are out 80 bucks out here. And people come to T Nagar Market for everyday shopping. I am buying some jewellery, so I got this one for just 40 bucks and it's quite good. Thank you. So I'm moving towards the outer market right now. I have been inside the market. I can see all sort of lights out here. It's very bright place. I'll show you the place just from here. That's how it looks. It's so bright and shiny. You can see above me all the shops are very well lit. I think it's all the year round they are lit like this, and it's a very colorful area. So let's go further. The outer market, that is the one next to the main road, has some huge saree shops. You can see out here one of the Chennai silk shops. It's huge. There are some other big shops like the jewellery shop, and on the footpath people out here they are selling flowers. You can see on the roadside. And there are some fresh fruit shops, freshly cut fruits, jackfruit, and also this coconut shop. This very unique thing I saw, which I tasted afterwards. So guys, I'm in for some more food, and you can see I'm at a food store. I'll try some cutlet out here. So this is this thing. Let's see how is that. My cutlet has arrived and it looks tasty. So let's try it. Well guys, it is very hot. It tastes good, not that bad, but nothing special. Still it's good. So you can see I'm having some grape juice, and the guy is drinking the juice for me. It's quite hot, so I'll have some refreshments. And that's the shop. You can see all sorts of foods have been hung. There's a menu. I don't know Tamil, but English is also there. Prices are not indicated. So there comes our glass. So guys, my juice is here. It's good. Hello guys, you can see I'm having a softy ice cream. It's nice to have some cold things in the heat. It's good. It only cost 15 bucks. And you can see there is a huge line for the softy. Outside, you can see the softy counter. And there's a huge line for it. People are having. And due to the heat, it's selling like hotcakes. So finally, while going home, I took with me a germinated coconut, and it cost me 60 bucks. And it was quite a new thing for me. The coconuts have been germinated, the plant came out, and inside the coconut there has grown a mushy thing, a spongy thing, which is sweet to taste. So I'll show you how it looks like. So guys, you can see this. There is a thing inside. Taken a part of it. Yeah, it tastes very nice. It tastes really good. Well guys, that was our time at the famous T Nagar main market at Ranganathan Street. We'll now proceed to the T Nagar main road at Pondi Bazaar, which we'll show in our next episode. So till then, please keep liking our videos, and newcomers, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more latest updates. See you in the next video. Have a happy time. That's another one.